Now, while Joe Biden and Kamala Harris were being sworn in the U.S., two villages in Tamil Nadu celebrated as Kamala Devi Harris took oath as the first woman vice president of the United States. The villages in the Thiruvarur district were the places from 56-year-old Miss Harris's maternal grandparents. That's where they lived. Many have been cleaning the roads and offering prayers for her at the village temple as well. And as you can see there, they all watched on a screen and celebrated as well. Let's go across to Sam Daniel for more. And Sam, you were there when the village was celebrating. Tell us more about what the people are saying. And they're very proud that a daughter of their village, in the sense her grandparents were from there, that she today has, broken the glass ceiling and created history.
That's right, Gargi. In fact, we come to you from Agraharam area at Thulasendrapuram, where Kamala Harris's maternal grandfather lived many years ago, and almost everyone here feels as if Kamala Harris belongs to their family. They look at her as their daughter, their sister, and they take so much of pride and excitement over her achievement, breaking the glass ceiling in the US, Gargi. More than 100 people watched it last night. They gave sweets, they bursted crackers, and with me a group of residents here. All of them are so excited. Let's speak to them what this means to them. What does it mean to you, sir?
As expected, the lady from Thulasendrapuram has become the first lady vice president of United States of America. It is, of course, a great pleasure.
All right, so Sam was getting us some voices there from Kamala Harris's ancestral village, in the sense it's the place where her maternal grandparents came from. Remember, her mother was from India and her father was from Jamaica. So Kamala Harris creating history. This was watched very keenly by members of the village who feel a sense of pride in what she has achieved. They view her as a daughter of the village. They even have pictures of her up on calendars, and even in the temple there is a picture of Kamala Harris. Well, let's return to Sam. Yes, Sam, do continue with your conversations.
Thank you, Gargi. Kamala wasn't born here. What brings in that kind of a connect?
Well, as she herself has told, it is the credit goes to her mother. And she has brought her up in such a way that all human beings are one and the same. And that way, she gives all the credit to her mother. Then and there, in all the interviews, she does mention that the mother has brought her up. And as expected, the Brahmin families, the husband used to go out to earn. And it is the mother's duty to bring up the children.
Right. Let's also speak to some mothers here. What does this mean for women? Ingula young பெண்களுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி இது ஊக்குவிக்கும்?
பெண்களுக்கு கமலா ஹாரிஸ் இந்த ஊர் பொண்ணா இருந்துன்னு துணை ஜனாதிபதி வர்றதுக்கு எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இந்த ஊரை நல்லா வச்சுக்கணும். ஐயனார் கோவில்லாம் இருக்கிறதுனால அங்க இந்த பெண்களுக்கெல்லாம் நல்ல வசதி பண்ணி கொடுத்து.
We are very happy about her achievement. In fact, she has to take care of the temple here. That's what she says. இது இங்குள்ள பெண்கள் நிறைய சாதனை பண்றதுக்கு வந்து ஒரு தைரியம் கொடுக்குமா?
தைரியம் வரும். என்ன கமலா ஹாரிஸ் இந்த ஊர்ல வந்திருக்காங்கன்னாக்கா அது ஒரு பெருமையாவும் இருக்கு, கொஞ்சம் தைரியமும் இருக்கும், நல்லா இருக்கு.
என்ன மாதிரி தைரியம் கொடுக்கும்?
நாங்களும் அது மாதிரி தைரியமா வரணும்.
For women here, she says the Kamala Harris achievement would inspire, give them more confidence to aim high, to achieve high. Do you want her to visit this village? இந்த கிராமத்துக்கு அங்க வரணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களா?
ஆமா, அங்க வரணும்னு நினைக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா இது தொடக்கம் இல்ல, இது வந்து இது இப்பதான் இது ஆரம்பம், இது வந்து முடிவல்ல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவங்க ஒரு பெரிய அந்த ஒரு வார்த்தையை சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இந்த கிராமத்துல பிறந்தவங்க ஒரு பெரிய ஜனநாயக நாட்டோட, அமெரிக்க நாட்டோட துணை அதிபரா பதவியேற்றிருக்குது. எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் மிகுந்த மகிழ்ச்சி.
We are very happy, proud, and we want her to visit this village, tracing her roots. நீங்களாம் எப்படி பாக்குறீங்க? நேத்து நைட் பாத்தீங்களா டிவில?
எங்க பார்க்கல.
பட் உங்களுக்கு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கா?
எங்களுக்கு வந்தா சந்தோஷம்.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு.
Right.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Some say she's not an Indian American, she is largely an African American. Does that matter at all for people here?
Of course, the caste, creed and religion and everything has gone apart. And she has become the vice president of the United States of America. Is the only point now that's stuck in each and every human being's mind at this village, of course. Because it's a great opportunity for this village to come up in the world level. And tomorrow, if she becomes the president of United States of America, we will be more thrilled, I will be more happy.
She'll set in yet another history?
Of course, another page has been opened in the American history book today that the first lady vice president has taken over the charge. And she herself has told this is not the first lady, and the things will follow now. Many more ladies will come in future to rule United States of America and as well as to be the VIP figure in the entire world.
Thank you all very much for your time. And so a sense of excitement and hope that Kamala Harris would visit this village sometime. And they also hope that this is not the end. This is going to be yet a long road for another beginning to see Kamala Harris also become the President of the United States, the first woman president there.
All right, Sam, well, thanks so much for getting us those voices from Kamala Harris's maternal grandparents' villages there.